What if the reality you experience every day is not as fixed and unchanging as you believe? For centuries, humans have looked at the universe as something separate from ourselves, a giant machine operating according to invisible laws. We believed we were simply observers, watching reality unfold from the outside. But modern physics has introduced a fascinating question. Could the act of observation itself play a role in what we experience as reality? From the strange behavior of quantum particles to ancient practices of meditation and awareness, a powerful idea continues to inspire scientists, philosophers, and seekers. The relationship between the observer and the observed may be deeper than we ever imagined. In this video, we explore the mysteries of quantum theory, consciousness, and the question that has fascinated humanity for generations. Are we passive witnesses of reality, or are we somehow connected to the process of creation itself? Every moment of your life, you experience the world through your senses. You see colors, you hear sounds, you feel your surroundings. Your brain creates a continuous experience that you call reality. But have you ever questioned how much of that reality is actually experienced directly? The human brain does not simply record the universe like a camera. It interprets information, filters experiences, and creates a model of the world around you. The reality you experience is already a combination of the external world and your internal awareness. This raises an important question. Where does the observer end, and where does reality begin? At the smallest scales of nature, quantum physics reveals a world that behaves very differently from our everyday experience. Particles such as electrons do not always behave like tiny, solid objects moving through space. Instead, they can exist in states of possibility described by mathematical probabilities. One famous example is the double-slit experiment. When scientists observe particles passing through two openings, the results change depending on how the experiment is measured. This strange behavior became known as the observer effect. However, scientists generally explain this through interaction and measurement rather than human consciousness alone. The deeper philosophical question remains: why does the act of measurement change what we observe? The observer and awareness. Throughout history, many meditation traditions have explored the nature of awareness. They ask, who is the observer behind your thoughts? When you notice your thoughts, emotions, and sensations, there seems to be a part of you that can witness them. This state is sometimes called witness consciousness. Meditation practices encourage people to recognize this awareness and develop a deeper relationship with their own experience.